Girl, imagine walking into school and everyone literally stops like, wow. Wait, is that really her? Your friends are like, wow, you look so good. And you're just sitting there smiling and being cool ASF. In this video, I'm giving you the ultimate 24-hour makeover routine that will transform your whole vibe from nerdy, weak, and unnoticed to that girl who commands attention. If you've been feeling kinda not pretty lately, this is your official permission slip to give yourself a mini makeover day. And listen, this isn't about changing who you are, it's about showing up looking like a whole new version of yourself and absolutely cooler main character energy. Welcome back to the chat room of girly vibes, glow-ups, and aesthetic. Grab your snacks and maybe a notebook, because we're about to plan your entire 24-hour makeover. Makeover Plan 1, the ultimate prep. Girlies, you can't glow if you don't have a clean space. This is the part most people forget, your room reset. Girl, clean that space. Make your bed, open a window, tidy surfaces, put laundry in a basket, and clear your desk. A clean room instantly makes you feel cleaner. Fold your clothes, wipe your desk, light a candle, or spray some room mist. When your space feels aesthetic, your mind does too. This is part of the makeover, creating an environment that matches that girl energy. Cleaning your room gives you space to think. Also, clean your mind and write 3 lines in your journal. How you want to feel, one thing you're proud of, one thing you're changing today. That's your makeover intention. I will shock them with my glow. I am that girl. Tip 2. Let's start your hair transformation. Okay, babe, hair is everything. Hair is literally the crown you never take off, so upgrade it. Stop the boring hairstyle you are used to. Girl, let go of that lazy bun. Nothing says fresh start like a hair change. You don't have to do something wild that your school won't accept. If you're more into length, just trim the dead ends, add soft waves, or try heatless curls overnight. If you're feeling bold, take inspo from your fave celeb who has a similar face shape and body vibe. If cutting isn't your thing, do a deep conditioning mask to bring back that silky, shiny vibe. Whatever hairstyle you choose, keep it healthy, gentle, and school-friendly. If you're experimenting with cuts or color, talk to a trusted stylist. Don't rush big changes at home. And don't sleep on hair accessories. Pastel scrunchies, thin headbands, or butterfly clips can flip your look instantly. Tip 3. Manicure and pedicure glow-up. Yes, people notice your hands and nails, especially when you're writing in class or holding your water bottle. Your nails are serving aesthetic main character energy. A Mani-pedi doesn't need to be salon level, DIY works too. Soak hands in warm water for a couple of minutes, push back cuticles gently, file nails into a soft square or oval, buff lightly, then oil and hand cream. A sheer polish or clear coat looks clean, girly, and school-friendly. Stick to soft, clean, aesthetic shades like baby pink, nude, lavender, or even clear glossy polish. For a low-effort vibe, just buff and shine your nails so they look fresh and healthy. Don't forget toes. Even if nobody sees them in school shoes, you will know they're cute, and that confidence shows. Tip 4. Shopping or styling like a stylist. Now for the fun part, outfits, because fashion is your silent language at school. Open your closet and be honest. What makes you feel like a goddess and what's just sitting there? Pull out your regular school pieces and try them on quickly. Keep what fits and flatters. Fold or hang neatly. Put aside what's worn out, too small, or not your style anymore. Donate or swap later. A smaller, curated closet looks richer instantly. Head to the mall, a thrift store, or even raid online shops. But here's the key, don't just buy random stuff. Find pieces that match the new vibe you are going for and your body type. Take inspo from your fave celeb who has your body style. Then, shop for pieces that scream you. The point isn't to spend a lot, it's to have outfits that make you feel excited to get dressed in the morning. Pick your celeb twin and let them guide your vibe. But remember, it's not about copying, it's about creating your own aesthetic. These are the little things that make people whisper, wait, she looks different. Like, in a good way. Choose aesthetic palette for the week. 2 neutrals plus 2 accents. Example, cream, black, blush, and baby blue. It makes mixing outfits stress-free and super aesthetic. Think comfy pastel hoodies, cute skirts, crisp jeans, soft cardigans, and sneakers that match everything. Top, cardigan, straight-leg bottoms, and clean sneakers. Polo or button-down and pleated skirt and knee socks. Knit tee and wide-leg pants and dainty necklace. For my uniform girls, don't stress too much, you can still slay. Crisp shirt, tidy hem, neat socks. Shoes and bags can also upgrade your look. Swap that old backpack for a tote or a cute mini backpack. Soft pastels and neutrals is instant aesthetic. Wipe shoes, swap old ones for fresh ones, and add insoles if you need comfort. Buy cute socks. Socks with aesthetic details. Coordinate with accessories, scrunchies, clips, necklaces, rings, and maybe even layering a pastel cardigan over your uniform shirt if allowed. Studs, tiny hoops, simple pendant, slim bracelet, hair bows, claw clip, belt. Pick delicate pieces that you don't need to repeat through the week so your look feels intentional. Empty your bag, toss the clutter, restock with pens, lip balm, mini lotion, hand sanitizer, tissues, and a compact mirror. Organized equals elevated. Buy cute and aesthetic school stationery. Tip 5. Posture practice. Stand tall, feet grounded, shoulders back and down, chin level, soft core engaged. Walk across your room slowly, carrying your bag like it's meant for you. Sit and stand without collapsing your chest. Do this for a few minutes, it rewires your vibe. Practice 3 gentle things in the mirror: a warm half smile, steady eye contact, and a calm hi. Combine with a friendly compliment. Makeover Plan 2, the night before school morning. Prep your outfit. Don't leave it for the morning rush. Coordinate your clothes or accessories a night before school so you're ready to step into school looking put together. Tonight, you decide tomorrow's vibe. Keep your school bag neat and aesthetic, organized stationery, water bottle, maybe a mini perfume or face mist. These details show you take care of yourself, and that's a huge part of your glow-up vibe. Hop into the shower and treat it like your spa moment. Exfoliate your skin with a scrub or even DIY sugar and honey. This removes dead skin and makes your body feel instantly smoother. Shave to make you feel your cleanest. When you step out, wrap yourself in your cutest robe or towel, and you'll already feel halfway transformed. Now, let's do skincare. Cleanse gently, apply a hydrating mask or even just honey and yogurt if you're going DIY, and let your skin soak in that goodness. If your skin likes steam, hover your face over a bowl of warm water for a minute or 2 not too hot. Then choose one mask based on your skin: clay for oil control, hydrating gel, or sheet for glow. Follow with a detailed skincare routine: mild hydrating toner or essence. If you exfoliate, choose one gentle product once a week, not harsh scrubbing. Pamper your face so you'll wake up glowing. Brush brows upward with a clean spoolie. Trim only if you know what you're doing. Exfoliate lips with a simple sugar and oil mix, then balm again. Brush and floss your teeth. If you use a whitening toothpaste, follow the instructions and don't overdo it. Fresh breath and a calm smile is instant pretty. Since you already made your hair, just make sure it is ready for tomorrow to look intentional, not messy. Finally, prioritize your beauty sleep. No scrolling at 1 a.m. No binge watching. Put your phone on silent, play some calming music, and let yourself rest. Trust me, a solid 7 to 8 hours of sleep is the biggest overnight flex. You'll wake up looking bright-eyed instead of drained. Makeover Plan 3. The Morning Glow Unveiling. Good morning, girlies. Time to bring the makeover all together. First thing, hydrate. Drink water as soon as you wake up to plump your skin and wake up your body. Then, depuff your face. You don't need fancy tools. An ice cube wrapped in a towel or even a cold spoon works. Press under your eyes, cheeks, and jawline to instantly lift and brighten. Skincare next. Cleanse, moisturize, and always sunscreen. Keep it quick, keep it cute. Add lip balm for a natural glow. Have a healthy breakfast. While you eat, listen to a podcast, hype music, or affirmations. Reveal your hair. Unravel your heatless curls or braids. Separate with fingers, not a brush. If sleek is your vibe, smooth flyaways with a tiny touch of product. Add your accessory: claw clip, ribbon, headband, or barrette. Check that your part, edges, and ends look tidy and healthy. Style it neatly and add a fun touch that complement your outfit. Small details elevate your look more than you realize. Your scent is your invisible accessory. Spray a light, fresh mist or lotion. Every time someone catches it, they'll notice your glow without even knowing why. Do a quick mirror scan, clean body, hair and face on point. Makeover Plan 4. Arriving at school like that girl. This is where the nerdy week to that girl switch flips. Walk into school with your head high, shoulders back, and a soft smile. When talking to friends, keep your voice confident and your smile warm. People notice these tiny shifts and suddenly, you're not the quiet, nerdy girl, you're that girl. During lessons, engage. Raise your hand, smile, look alive. That vibe of interested, glowing, confident is what separates that girl from just blending in. Don't let your energy fade. Reapply lip balm or mist during breaks. Drink water throughout the day. Keep healthy snacks like nuts or fruit to stay energized. Makeover Plan 5. Afternoon and after-school reset. The glow-up doesn't stop when the bell rings. After school, don't just crash on the couch. Cleanse your face, drink water, and reset your energy with a short walk or stretch. This keeps your body aligned, prevents stress breakouts, and keeps you on track for tomorrow's glow. Remember, that girl energy is a lifestyle, not just a one-day stunt. That's not doing too much. That's you taking gentle ownership of your look and your life. You did it, girlies. Welcome to your soft power era. And that's your 24-hour glow-up makeover guide from Nerdy Week vibes to that girl in just one day. It's not magic, it's habits. By the time you walk into school, everyone will see the difference. From nerdy and unnoticed to glowing, confident, and totally aesthetic. Are you ready to shock them at school? Because trust me, they won't see it coming. Drop a comment below. Which big makeover step are you thinking of taking? Don't forget to subscribe and join the Girls Treasure chat room for more glow-up tips and aesthetic vibes. Comment a topic you want me to make a video on for my next videos. Stay girly, stay glowing, and remember, you are that girl. Love you. Bye.